All right, so this video is going to be a review on multiplying and dividing rationals. So we have this example here, we're multiplying here, so go ahead, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. All right, welcome back. So this one, the first thing I notice is it's multiplying. So if we were dividing, remember we would have to multiply by the reciprocal, but here we're just multiplying, so I'm going to go straight into my factoring. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to one, all right, then I factor. So for the first one, I have 3 and 1, then 2 and 1, 1 and 2 down here. Cross multiply to find my combinations. I have 3 and 2, and then 6 and 1. All right, now I'm trying to get to 7, so add to 7. Well, I see with this 6 and 1, those both add to 7. There's my combination. So for this one, I have 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, there's my first one. Second one is x squared minus 2x minus 8. All right, 1 and 1. We have 4, 2, 2, 4, 8, 1, 1, 8 here. Cross multiply, so I have 2 and 4. Well, I notice right away that I can use 2 and 4 to get to a negative 2. If I make this 4 negative, if I make the 4 negative, I have to make that 4 negative. So there's my combination. I have x minus 4 and x plus 2. Okay, so the third one, I have 4x squared minus 15x minus 4. So this one, there's a few different ways to get to 4. So I can do 4 and 1 or 2 and 2. And then underneath here, I have 4 and 1, 1 and 4, 2 and 2. And then same thing over here. Okay, now I cross multiply. We'll start with the 4 and 1. I get 4 and 4 here. 16 and 1. All right, there it is right there. If I make this a negative, when I add those together, I get a negative 15, which is what I want. If I make this negative 16 a negative, I have to make this 4 negative because that's where I got it from. There's my combination. 4x plus 1 and x minus 4. All right, then the last one, we have 3x squared plus 10x plus 3. So 3 and 1 on top. Underneath there, 3, 1, 1, 3. Cross multiply, I got 3 and 3, and then 9 and 1. Trying to get to 10. So here's my combination. 9 plus 1 is 10. And then for this one, 3x plus 1 and x plus 3. Okay, so we went through, we factored everything. We got this one here, this one here, this one here, now this one here. So now we go back to the original after we factored and rewrite it in its factored form. So here we have 3x plus 1, x plus 2 over x minus 4, x plus 2. Then we're multiplying. So then we get 4x All right, so once we have everything factored, now we look to cancel. So remember, we can only cancel when one's on the numerator and one's in the denominator. So these 3x plus 1s can cancel. 2's can cancel. Minus 4's. Left. That's our answer. So then we have 4x answer for that one. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do for this, we're going to try a factoring problem. So we have squared. All right, so take a minute, pause the video, try factoring this one on your own, and then come back. All right, welcome back. So, start ways to multiply to 6. Do that. 3 and 2, and then 6 and 1. Then, underneath, we put, so here we have 12 and 1, 1 and 12, 6 and 2, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, 4 and 3. And then the same thing over here. 1, 1 and 2, 12, 6 and 2, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and then 4 and 3. All right, then we cross multiply and find our combinations. So for this one, we have 3 and 24. Next one, we have 2 and 6. And we have 12 and 4, 12 and 6, and then 9 and 8. All right, and remember we are trying to get 17. So here I see a way that we can get 17. Right. Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17. So we didn't have to add any negatives in there because they're both positive. So we found our combination right there. Remember, we write our answers. So then our final answer is 3x plus 9, or plus 4. And then 3 or 2x. That's fair.